A few months ago, I was desperately looking for a job. I had sent out a dozen of CVs, but I was not getting any response. I felt discouraged and lost. That's when I stumbled upon ChatGPT, an AI language model that can help with career-related advice. So the first thing I did, I searched how to get a job using ChatGPT, and the results were a bit breathtaking, but this was the first line I got from them. As an AI language model, ChatGPT cannot directly help you get a job. I said, what? You mean you can't help me get a job? But then I continued reading and they told me, however, I can offer some suggestions and resources that might be helpful to your job search. Now they got my interest. The first thing I did was to ask ChatGPT to review my CV. It analyzed my CV and suggested some changes. It gave me tips on how to make my CV more targeted and relevant to the job I was applying for. ChatGPT also helped me to rephrase some of my job description, making them sound more impressive and relevant. The next thing, ChatGPT helped me research job market. It gave me advice on some of the job listings and how to prepare for interviews. It suggested some professional organization and networking event that might be helpful for me. And this was the game changer. With the help of ChatGPT, I was able to find some job listing that interested me. I applied for these jobs. I was called for an interview and I was able to get a lot of help in terms of how to prepare when going for this interview. It provided me with some common interview questions and they helped me to craft a very impressive response. This gave me an opportunity to do a mock interview and I was able to get feedback on my performance. And finally, and I think this is something I hadn't thought of when I was thinking about just looking for a job. Finally, ChatGPT suggested some online courses and resources that would enhance my CV and make me more attractive to employers. With this guidance, I was able to learn new skills and add them onto my CV. I was able to land my dream job. If you are struggling looking for a job, I would highly suggest you try ChatGPT. But ChatGPT is just an AI. All these services are provided by CareerPoint Solutions. Just go to careerpoint.co.ke/CV review. There you get an opportunity to submit your CV for review. They will give you the suggestions that you need to be able to write a professional CV. They will also guide you on interview coaching. And I can tell you, the online courses they have on their platform help you get jobs with the UN, NGOs and international organizations. I would say more, or just head over to careerpoint.co.ke. I'll put a link in the description of this video or somewhere up here. See you there.